It's your boy D from It Is What It Is podcast, back with another food review. But this is gonna be kind of different. We're not doing it at no restaurant. We're not doing like that. Doing one of my partners, one of my friends. He's doing he has his own catering business or own food business. OYM EATS. You can go follow him at OYM_EATS. They deliver to me. You know what I'm saying? So that's cool. I got Mia here. She gonna engage and eat because you know she's a foodie.
I just fix my bang for y'all.
We'll be right back, okay? Alright. So we,
not meaning.
we got the food, we back. Me over there cackling as usual. My bad, but we got, some wings and we got some loaded fries. Like I said, this is OYM EATS. Lemon pepper wings. Like I said, we got the loaded fries. So we'll be right back. I'll let y'all know how everything, is or whatnot. Is your hands clean?
I just scratched my ass.
Alright guys. Anywho, we're about to dig into this. Okay. I like these fries.
You have to find yourself. I agree.
Alright, let's try one of these wings real quick, girl. This is all off our diet.
Completely.
But it's cool.
I gotta go double time in the damn gym. Thank you.
You welcome. You said you was hungry.
I'm starving.
Okay. We're gonna eat some more and we'll be back. You know what I'm saying? We'll tell you about that. Aisha playing in the background. We had iHope Radio 104.5 and we had OYM EATS come through and bring us some food. And y'all can see this one chicken right here. That was all Mia. She don't know how to eat wings. She don't know how to eat. But
Show eating food, that's gross.
whatever. Can you tell us how it was?
It was good. It was finger licking good. Although I don't eat the gristles like Greedo over here, it was actually good. The fries were good too. Had enough cheese and stuff on it. It had some peppers, but it wasn't a lot because I'm not peppery.
Right. But it was seasoned and everything.
Yeah, the chicken was really good. It was really cheap, and it was cooked thoroughly.
Yeah.
Nice and crunchy. Get my vote. Oh my God. Chicken. What's the name of it?
OYM EATS.
OYME. Not oh my God chicken.
But nah, yeah, it was cool. Like I said, the only thing I probably would change is the ranch. But other than that, everything else was good. It was Gucci. But yeah, be right back. Hey, this is their Wednesday menu. They got food throughout the whole entire week. All right, and like I said, go follow them. OYM EATS. OYM_EATS is right there. Right there. Make sure y'all go follow them. You know what I'm saying? Order them. Like I said, they come delivered to y'all. So the food is good. The food is good. Oh, Mia, 1 out of 5. What do you give them?
1.
Five. All right. This is our second 5 out of 5. So you know what I'm saying? That's good. Make sure, like I said, make sure y'all come back. We're gonna do some more stuff next week. We're probably gonna be at a restaurant next week. But if y'all have any suggestions or anything like that, let me know, and then we'll go from there. All right. Like I said, this is D from It Is What It Is. We had Mia today from the Can I Be Mia Experience, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later. All right.